Did you know there are over 15,500 dryer fires in the U.S. each year? Dryer fires cause approximately 34 deaths, 430 injuries, and over $209 million in property damage. The vast majority of dryer fires are caused by clogged dryer vents. Common causes for a clogged dryer vent are excess dryer lint, human and pet hair, and nests from birds or insects such as bees. Aside from the risk of fires, a clogged vent can lead to health issues from mold growth due to improper venting or allow poisonous carbon monoxide to build up in the house rather than be vented outside. A professional cleaning will fully remove lint and debris from your dryer vent, reducing the risks associated with clogs. As a result, you will see your laundry will dry faster, reducing the time it takes you to perform chores. Shorter drying times will also decrease your utility usage, saving you money each month. Plus, you will have less wear and tear on your clothes and dryer, so they both last longer. Visit our website to learn more about dryer vent cleaning or to schedule service today.